everybody, how are you doing? It is the one and only Timothy. Do you hear that noise? Damn, wonder what that is. What is it? Huh? What is it? Surprise! Finally got my window air conditioned put in today. Finally. Yep, finally it's in. I had to turn off the power and take out a plug outlet there and put a brand new one in, and so we can operate her. Yep, so I got my window air conditioning today after not having it in last summer and practically all part of this summer up until now, because it's going to come in handy this weekend here where I'm at here in Michigan. It's going to come in handy. Temperature's supposed to get up in the 90s this weekend here. Yeah, so got our window air conditioning in the window. Well, kind of happy on that. But one bad thing, I won't be able to shut the blinds or the shades. That's one bad thing, won't be able to. So how's everybody's Friday going for them? Hope your Friday's been a good one. How's the weather where you're at? Well, you can tell our weather is a sunny one here in Michigan today. A sunny one. And it's a little warm out there. Kind of breezy too. Kind of breezy. But no rain after getting some rain last night or yesterday evening. Well, we got some rain yesterday evening here where I'm at here in Michigan, but not much like we usually did. It's been really dry, I tell you. I know the lawn care people, they haven't been coming over to do our yard because no yard to cut. Look at that, people. Look at that. That is freaking sad. No yard to cut back there because it hasn't been growing. Because of no rain. I have never seen anything like this before in my life, people. Never ever. I mean, golly. I remember when I was a kid, we used to get rain left and right. And would hear about thunderstorms coming and everything. I mean, people, we have not had any severe thunderstorm warnings for our area. I mean, wow. The last bad one was, God, when was it? 2011, 2012. I mean, that one really tore everything up big time in our town. I mean, wow, did it tear everything up. Jeez. Like Jiminy Crickets. It was sad, people. It was sad. But everything, it's just been mellow right after that. Right after that. You know, don't hear anything about tornado warnings anymore or anything. It's been really weird. Really, really weird. I don't know, but any of you been encountering weird active weather where you're at that you're used to seeing and nothing has happened? There's something wrong with our atmosphere, I tell you. Something wrong with our atmosphere. Really goofing it up big time. Big time. What have y'all been up to today? Well, let's see. What did I do today? That was very, very interesting. Well, let's see. I got up about a little after 8. And then hurried up, drank a cup of coffee, washed up. Headed off to see if I could get a train. And I watched Amtrak come in, but thought a freight would come in right after that. Zero. No freight. Sat here to about almost 9:30. Nothing. You know, the Amtrak left before that, and thought, well, good, might get a freight train. The only freight train that rode by was Norfolk. Now, they run a different line than Canada National does. And that wasn't worth my video recording. Because it had a short load. And then after that, I went to the post office to see if I had any mail. Zero mail today. Zip, no mail. And then after that, I came home, and the people that have been helping us out, her husband was over here, and to put the window air conditioning in, and he was really sweating up a storm. His poor shirt was soaking wet. That's how hot it is in this place. Very, very hot, people. Very, very hot. But yeah, kind of happy I got that window air conditioning in. Feels nice and comfortable in here, I'll tell you that much. Better than it has been. That's for sure. Yeah, better than it has been. He was here for a while, up until about 12:30, almost about 12:30, almost 1 o'clock, and then he left, and I just been sitting around here, enjoying it in a nice, comfortable house, and been watching some NFL, well, training camp. They're going from training camp to training camp, and been watching that and just chilling, playing on the computer and all this and that. And then deciding on what to have for supper tonight. Got a new place that just opened here in our town called Papa's Italian Sausage. Well, good place it is. Well, last night, me and my son, we had a thing called the hot dog pizza. Oh my God, was that good. Oh, lordy 40. Was that freaking good, people. Was that freaking good. Oh my God, I told my son, we need to get we need to go back there tonight and get some more. We get a lot of them. It's like, oh my Lord, that was awesome, man. That was freaking awesome. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it too. Let's see what else they got on their menu. That I might want to try. Now they got Papa's Fiestas, turkey, ham, potato, pizza, chicken salad. Then sides, they got potato la Roma, nacho deluxe, chips and cheese, meatballs, breadsticks and sauce. Wonder how long before they decide to do delivery. Be nice if they did delivery. For their hot dogs, they got hot dog, Papa's chili cheese hot dog, Chicago dog, Italian olive dog, pizza dog, mushroom and cheese dog. Then for their sandwiches, got some good subs too. Yeah, I'm gonna see if my son wants to try try the mushroom and cheese dog and probably the Papa's chili dog, and then get the pizza dog. But I'll see if he wants to. I don't know how many of your places got something like that, but if you do, man, go get it. Yeah, go and get it. Well, what are y'all going to be doing for the rest of the evening? Me, what I'm going to be doing, just chilling and relaxing. Chilling and relaxing like I always do here at the Pondee. I know I got to go to bed early tonight because my son goes back to work tomorrow, so I'll probably be hitting the hay early. Tigers, they play a late night game tonight against I don't know who they play tonight. I know they're on the West Coast, so that game won't start until about 10 something our time. I'll be able to catch a few innings of it before I hit the hay. Well, everyone, hope y'all enjoyed this video here today. And if you did, give her a thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and came along this video, hit that red subscribe button right there. Click on it and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a super fine one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going in to Saturday, or almost stepping into Saturday, or already into Saturday, wherever you're at around this continent today, well, happy Saturday. And if you're still in the Friday, and having a good Friday, wherever you're at around this continent today, well, happy Friday to you. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. And this air conditioned vlog is over.